guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Halloween video, part of my 31 days of Halloween. This look was challenging. I was super inspired by Gabriella, I think is her name, or Gabrielle on Instagram. She did a look inspired by an amazing artist who draws these beautiful like portraits but in tons of color, and I tried to go off of that, and this is what I came up with and looked like. I did it very heavily inspired by her look, and it's kind of like a rainbow infrared kind of thing going on. But I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you want to learn how to get it, then just keep on watching.
Alright guys, not much to really voice over for this video. I'm starting off with just a base makeup on, and then I'm jumping into the Makeup Forever Flash Color palette. And this palette is going to be basically the base of everything that we're going to be doing. I am almost exactly going off of the photo, but putting like my own little style to it and obviously my own technique. So essentially, I am just looking at the photo. And honestly, I think I much would have rather looked at the drawing rather than Gabrielle's makeup. It's amazing, but I think I would have been able to put an even better spin on it if I looked at the drawing itself. So if you guys are really going to try out this look, I definitely recommend looking off of the drawings. I wanted to try a different drawing from her, but the yellow really like caught my eye and I really wanted to do yellow in it, so I just kind of went with it. And I think I went in this knowing that I was not going to live up to how amazing Gabrielle did with her look, but this is my process, guys. Just wanted to show it to you. After I've done with the Makeup Forever Flash Color paints, I'm going to actually go into the Morphe and James Charles palette, and I'm going to use basically every shade in here. There's also a light blue in here that I used as the highlight, but then you'll see in just a bit that I added some additional highlighters and some eyeliners and mascara and lashes and all that good stuff. But essentially I'm just using these shadows to kind of set everything. So enjoy. I'm going to just let music play for the rest of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy this one.
Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching yet another video, part of my 31 days of Halloween. If you guys try this out, make sure to hashtag BEAUTYBYJULIA on this look or any of the looks that I have created for you. If you try any of them out, make sure to tag me so that I can see them. I love when you guys recreate my looks. And that's it for today. As always, make sure to subscribe to me and check out all of my other videos, part of my 31 days of Halloween, and all my other Halloween videos I've created throughout the years. Bye guys, see you tomorrow.